It's a brand new day in Adventure Bay. Look, here's Chase. I'm glad you're here, Chase. I've lost my pup pad somewhere around the lookout. Can you help me? Nice! Hold your feet off it. Now drive to the pup pad. You did it! Thanks, Chase. Have some pup treats. Collect enough pup treats and you'll win a prize. There are a few more around the lookout. Go get them. You did it! Whoa, that looks fun. Tap the slide to use it. Great. There it is. Oops, the birdhouse fell on the ground. Spin the wheel. Spin, spin, spin. Keep going, pup. Good work, pup. There are 2 more birdhouses to fix. I'm adding them to your radar. Follow the arrows to find them. You found one. Let's fix it. You can do it, pup. Good job, pup. Just 1 more and done. Keep going, Chase. Look, it's the last birdhouse. Let's go. Almost there. You did it, pup. It's a gift box. Nice bench. Uh-oh, it's broken. Chase, can you fix them? No, I detect 2 more broken benches. Can you find and fix them? I've added them to your radar, Chase. Follow me. There. Nice. Bring it to the broken bench. There it is. Okay, time to fix it. Way to go, pup. Paw Patrol, to the lookout. Thanks for hurrying, pups. A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase in, Cluck Cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets close, the chickens will move away from it. Get them to move back into their coop. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups. Farmer Yumi will be happy. Chase. You deserve some pup treats. Catch! It's Sky. She also wants to play. Tap on Sky to play with her. Chase is going on patrol. He'll come back later. Look, pup treats appeared on the winding road. Collect them all to win your prize. What's this? It's a Paw Patrol badge. Keep collecting pup treats to win the prize hidden by the Paw Patrol badge. Incredible! Puptacular! These are Boost Rings. Tap on the boost ring to use it. Katie needs help. Tap on her to see what she needs. Follow the dots to reach your goal. Look, it's Callie. Aw, nice work, pup. Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. Tap the rider button to go on a very special rescue mission. Thanks for hurrying, pups. The horn from the train scared Farmer Owl's cows. They've run out into town and are wandering around. We need to help Farmer Owl and get them back on the train before it leaves. Sky, I'll need you to spot the cows from the air. All right. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Sky in camouflage. When you see a cow, tap on it. Watch closely for cows that are hiding. All right, Sky, let's find those cows for Farmer Owl. We found one. Cow spotted. There's a cow. You got it. Cow spotted. There's a cow. You found one. Cow spotted. Great work, Sky. Farmer Owl is so relieved. You're really good, pup. Great work, pup. Here's your very own pup pad. A call from Alex. Look, Alex needs our help. With your pup pad, you can visit the people of Adventure Bay. Let's help Alex. Let's go. Alex lost his favorite super trike. Can you find it? Other pups can help on this mission. Tap on the paw button to pick a paw. All right, pup. Time to find Alex. That's it. It's the super trike. You found it. Let's bring it back to Alex. Thank you, pup. Alex will be able to zoom around town again. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. You got it, pup! I see a broken lamppost. Keep going, pup. Right on, pup. Oops, a fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. More pups are waiting to join up and help. Add another to the team to access more prizes. The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win. To get that prize, the Paw Patrol needs more members. You got it. Awesome. Chase. Katie's calling. Where do you want to go? We're on a roll. Katie lost her cat, Callie. Can you find Callie? Look, it's Callie. Aw, nice work, pup. Katie's really happy now that Callie is back. You can do it, pup. Nice work, pup. A broken lamppost. See it? Just a little more. You got it, pup. Keep going, pup. Good job, pup. There it is. Pause it. Paw Patrol, to the lookout.